जब हम किसी से प्यार करते हैं जो हमारे काफ़ी क्लोज़ है, हमारा लव्ड वन कोई भी हो सकता है, द वन हू केयर फॉर अस, जब उनको कुछ हो जाता है फिज़िकली और इमोशनली, हमारी पहली इंस्टिंक्ट क्या होती है? उनको केयर करना रादर देन गो अवे। एंड व्हेन वी आर द वन हर्टिंग इनसाइड, व्हाई डू वी रिस्पॉन्ड डिफरेंटली? Some of us criticize ourselves, some of us just want to shut away all the pain. We just want to get rid of the things we are facing. और हमारे wounded self के लिए हमें ज़रा सी भी empathy नहीं होती है. We just criticize or compare ourselves. Why do we do that? You know, I often did in my past, even today also, sometimes I do this, that whenever I cry, because I get, I'm sensitive, I get hurt easily, or maybe you can say that because of my past, I cry easily, I cry often. And I don't know, but I do feel shame about it. I do feel that why I am not like others. These are the things when we say to ourselves, it's really disturbing. ऐसा क्यों होता है? जिस हिस्से को हमारे सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, उसी हिस्से को हम रिसेंट करने की कोशिश करते हैं, है ना? वी जस्ट वांट टू गेट अवे फ्रॉम दैट पार्ट, हमें उसे देखना तक नहीं है, बिकॉज़ दैट फील्स सो फ्रेजाइल, दैट फील्स सो नेगेटिव, दैट फील्स सो वीक टू अस. And there was a time I was caught in the loop, knowing, feeling, breaking the cycle, and yet get back to that emotional turmoil. I have written something to me. I have written a letter to my wounded self, the part of me that wants to leave, and to the part of me that wants to stay. Healing doesn't always look graceful. Sometimes it's messy, it's uncomfortable, it's chaotic. Because जो patterns आपके form हो जाते हैं, that is not very easy to change, but that can be changed. उसमें काफ़ी efforts डालने पड़ते हैं and काफ़ी time लगता है. You need to recognize all these things. You need to give yourself time. You need to give yourself care. जो आप care दूसरों को देते हो, जिनसे आप प्यार करते हो, वो care आपको खुद को देनी होती है, खुद को भी देनी है. So this is that letter in the form of poem. Here I go with the poem. It begins. I can see the agony in your eyes. I can see the grief inside. I can see your dramatic side. I can see your pleasing and sustaining soul wanting to getting out of this role. Role you have been playing well for so long. Out of conflict, you using defense mechanism. Believe me, that doesn't help anyone. Your prayers must contain magic, strikingly getting me to hold on. But this time, I will vanish soon. Lot more to convey conflict I am in. That too, I don't bother anymore, cause this time I'm stronger than ever before. Had not you done that, I would be in different state. But I love to be in flow, better to stay in. Now I understand that every insanity can be reason, every stagnation is a bit of motion. We feel, grow, excite, slow. Eventually, what matter is the flow. Soul interact with soul for better hold. No grief can vanish by keeping our heart cold. Share with someone who needs